Hey guys, Josh the Faggot Gamer here with another YouTube video, and in this video I'm gonna be comparing two Nerf guns. Which was better, this clear shot or dual wield pistols, which I really love. So the first off, I'm gonna compare the clear shot. The clear shot, it's a nice gun. It only shoots one third per time, so it has some storage here, so you can just quickly reload. Not quickly, but just reload, And then, so it has this scope, which I think is really cool. But then again, has brown. The scopes don't really work. Nice try though, but. And then if you take off the scope, it's like a regular cowboy pistol or something. It's single fire. And looks great. It's from the Nerf Zombie Strike series. And overall it looks pretty cool. Especially with the scope attached to it. Many people think it's a sniper rifle. It's really not. It really looks like a pistol. I don't know why they would believe it's like a sniper weapon. It's more of a secondary or backup, And yeah, that's the Nerf clear shot. Moving on is the Nerf dual wield pistols. I don't know what these are called, but I do know that they both have lights, as you can see there. Pretty tactical. Both have good hand grips. One is gray, one is black, so you can pretty much kind of blend it in the dark environment. So yeah, and you can also see with those lights. So yeah, they both have the capacity of 1 bullet and then 2 storage here and fire. So it's pretty cool. And then also for some batteries, so batteries I think are not included. And yeah, those are the two comparisons. And fire, tactically reload, fire again. And so the similarities for these blasters are very equal. They both have good hand grips, and both are kind of pretty much pistols, so it will work equally. And the reason is though these are dual wields, and if they're one blaster, they'll be about the same size of this, like they're combined into one blaster. This I don't really like though, because the scope doesn't really work. So yeah, that's it for this review. See you guys on the next video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to me. And yeah, see you guys on the next video. Josh is signing out. Peace.